The best thing you can do to make sure you have a successful Q4 is to work on growing your email list right now to your Shopify store. Clients who will see the best return in Q4 are those who are working actively on growing their email list, and ads is a fantastic way to do this. See if we can get in front of people right now while ads are affordable with an affordable type of ad, email list growth ads. We have time to introduce them to our brand, time to turn them into loyal purchasers, and time to really hype up who we are, the drops that will be happening here in Q4, and get these people excited about our brand. Ads are only getting more expensive as the year goes on. I don't mean this to scare you because I'm going to be running ads for my clients for the whole rest of the year. We run ads 24/7. I'm not going to let the election scare me. I'm not going to let an expensive Q4 scare me. However, I am encouraging my clients to start running email list growth ads now. You will likely see your best return on people who are on your email list because the most expensive part is getting into someone's world. Retargeting to them is the easy part. Interested in learning how to set up email list growth ads, I have just the thing for you. I want you to comment the word email list below and I will send you information on my mini course that will show you within 2 hours how to get these ads set up from start to finish.